subscribe. Thank you. Hi guys, it's 3 a.m. in the morning and we're going to Bolinao. Just fixing some things and we're ready to go. See you later guys. Bye.
1 hour later.
So ito na guys, ready na ang aking mga gamit. Drone check. GoPro check. At backup na camera check. Tara na. See you in a bit.
1 minute 37 seconds later.
Okay, ganda pagmasdan ang iyong mga mata, kumikinang-kinang.
Dito na kami guys, malawak po ang parking area nila dito. Medyo napaaga kami.
Di ko maintindihan ang iyong.
Dito po yung office nila. Meron din pong bilihan ng mga souvenir.
Tingin, labis ang mga ningning.
So ayan na po yung mga cottage nila. May mga pang day tour at overnight din po sila na mga cottage at rooms.
Langit ay bumaba.
So andito na po tayo sa tabing dagat guys.
Bumababa pala ang tala.
Ganito po kaganda dito guys. Magsuot lamang ng tsinelas kasi matutulis po yung mga bato. Masakit sa paa at pwede masugat.
Tumingin ka sa aking mga mata at hindi mo na kailangan pang magtanong ng paulit-ulit.
It's Ligo time!
2,000 years later.
Take me to the place I used to run. Remember the house where I was born. Baby, you don't know me.
May mga isda guys. Ang dami.
Baby, you don't know. I'll show you all the stars I used to hide. No one ever seemed to realize, but baby, you will know me. Baby, you will know. Baby, you don't know. Baby, you don't know. Baby, you don't know. Baby, you don't know. I used to run. Remember the house where I was born. But baby, you don't know me. Baby, you don't know. I'll show you all the stars I used to hide. No one ever seemed to realize, but baby, you will know me. Baby, you will know. Baby, you don't know. Baby, you don't know.
Paggabi na guys, saan na kami? It's dinner time, kain muna. Meet my Kuya Daryl. Ito guys ang itsura ng resort kapag gabi. Madaming ilaw. Diyan naman kami matutulog. 9,100 ang overnight. Good for 13 person. Ito yung mga rules ng resort. Ito yung mga kasama namin nag-tent sila, bas gusto nila magtulog dito guys.
$2,000 years later.
Good morning everyone! Be-breakfast lang kami at mag-island hopping na kami.
Walked in the room like you walked out a movie. So if you're Gregory, let me be your Audrey. Yeah. Try to tell you how I feel, but I can never work it out.
Papunta na kami sa Polipol Island. Ang rent ng bangka dito guys ay 1,500 for 5 person. 2 hours magstay sa island.
Get so caught up and tongue tied up like every time you come around, come around. All I can say is ooh la la, ooh la la, ooh la la, ooh. Oh, I can't help you turn me on so.
Andito na kami. Siya si Kuya, yung may-ari ng bangka. Assist niya kami sa pagtalon.
Ooh la la, ooh la la, ooh la la, ooh. I just can't seem to get you off my head. Speechless with every single kiss. The one thing rolling off my lips is ooh la la, ooh la la, ooh la la, ooh. Ooh la la, ooh la la, ooh la la, ooh. Head pushed back, rolling oh so slowly. Like we up on my heart.
Mataas. Guys, nakakatakot.
Then you're trying to get to know me closely. I try to tell you how I feel, but I can never work it out.
Hello po, so nandito po kami sa taas ng bundok. Bato. Sa bato ng... Tatalong kami mamaya guys. Grabe. So tatalong kami doon. Ano kaya mo? Tatalong ka ba? Mabato guys, masakit sa paa. Matutulis, hindi ka makakaakyat dito pag walang tsinelas.
Airport. Oh, James Roy. Bakit? Pwede naman dito.
Dala mo. Pero na lang magawa ka. Hindi, ano ko lang ako sa kaya.
Kaya ba, James?
Kaya hindi.
Kaya?
Ikaw ang. Kaya mo hindi.
Kaya niya yan. Sige,
Kaya.
Huwag ka dyan mo ka sa gitna.
Sa gitna.
Ulan. Hindi, tatalon nga siya ng ano.
Bilis.
1, 2, 3.
Can we skip to the good part?
Ayoko na tumalon, ligo-ligo na lang. Andito na papa ko to the rescue.
No.
If there's a good part, then I hope it's not far cut. 'Cause I thought it'd be today. I napped on campus and I smoked at dances, but it didn't feel so great. If you put this scene on a movie screen, is it cold or happy end? If the world
Malinis yung tubig at malinaw. Mabato lang talaga, guys.
gets me where I'm supposed to be, will I know I've made it then? It's so hard. So can we skip to the good part?
Pabalik na kami sa cottage namin at kami uuwi na. Uuwi na kami.
Ayaw ko na tumalong.
Ayaw ko na ulit tumalon.
Nervous ako. Mataas ka mo.
Bigla akong nagulat. Hindi ako makasalita kanina.
Pero okay ka na.
Okay na? Thank you for watching, guys. God bless.
Take me to the place I used to run.